Hello everyone. Now we are going to give you the answer key of class 12 fine arts painting question paper. So, the first question: who made the first scientific division of Rajasthani painting? Option A is the correct answer, Anand Kumar Swami. Second question: the main school of Marwar style of Rajasthan are Jodhpur, Bikaner, Kishangarh, all of this. The main sub schools, all of this, option D is the correct answer. Question third: Dana was a painter of which genre? Dana was a painter of Rajasthani school who had painted Chaugan players. Question fourth: which is the famous painting of Basohli school? Krishna with Gopis is the famous painting of Basohli school. Question 5. Moving to question 5. Which styles are considered under Rajput school? Correct answer is option C, Rajasthani and Mughal school. Question 6. Select the golden age of Kangra school. Correct answer is option D, 1786 to 1805 AD. Moving to question 7. In which style of painting, verses, poetic and pictorial form of various expressions of love have been depicted? It is in Mughal style. Option C is the correct answer. Question 8. Which Mughal rulers got Tuti Nama painted? Option B, Akbar is the correct answer. Question 9. In whose period the painting of Hamza Nama was completed? Akbar. It was started during the period of Humayun and completed in the period of Akbar. Question 10. When is the beginning of the Mughal painting style considered? The beginning is considered in 16th century. It was from 16th through 19th century Mughal painting. Question 11. According to Jahangir, the best painter of his court was Abul Hasan. Option C is the correct answer. Question 12. Which is the famous painting of Golconda? It is Chand Bibi playing polo. Option C. Now moving on to section B, question 13. Select the famous painter of Kishangarh school. Famous painter is Nihal Chand. Question 14. The painter of a painting named Maru Ragini painted in Mewar style is made by Shahibuddin. Option B. Question 15. Who is credited with the origin of Bikaner style? To Mughal art, to modern painters, to prehistoric painters, neither of the above. The correct answer is to Mughal art. Bikaner painting was started with the help of Mughal art. Question 16. Which was the oldest center of Rajasthani art? Option B, Mewar is the correct answer. Question 17. What is the name of the early period of Jaipur school? Early period name was Amer school. Option C. Question 18. Name the painter of marriage procession of Dara Sikhon. It was Haji Madni. Question 19. Who among the following is not a Mughal painter? Arvind Singhania. Option B. Question 20. The most important feature of the painting of Akbar Nama is? Most important was the court painting. Option B, which was very popular. Moving on to question 21. Razma Nama is the Persian version of Mahabharat. Option B is the correct answer. Question 22. Which painter did Jahangir bestow with the title Nadir Ush Jaman? This title was given to Abul Hasan. Option B, which is the correct answer. Question 23. By what name was the method of showing shadow known in the Mughal period? Gadkari, Rangmeji, Pardaz, Tipai. There's doubt in this question, so we are leaving it. If answer key is there, we'll update it in the comments. Question 24. With what school is the manuscript Tuzuk-e-Asafi painted in 1793 AD? It was painted in Hyderabad. Option B. Section C. Assertion reasoning type question. Question 25. The most prominent feature of Kishangarh style is the flourishing of female beauty. It's correct. A reason: long slender face, long pointed nose, long slim body, lotus like eyes, arched eyebrows, slender lips, hinnate hands, mahavar in feet, and long hair highlight the feminine beauty of Kishangarh style. The world famous painting Bani Thani is also from here, so option A is the correct answer. Moving on to question 26. Assertion: the large size curtains decorated behind the form of Srinath Ji are called Pichwai. This is correct. Pichwai is the original contribution of Natharwada style, which is called Pichwai because of its display at the back. This is also correct. So option A is the correct answer. Question 27. The Mughal painting style developed progressively during the time of Akbar. It's true. Aurangzeb proved to be the destroyer of art and many artists became unemployed during his tenure. This is also true. So option B is the correct answer, as both correct but not the correct reason. Question 28. In the painting of Kangra style, the depiction of the 8 phases of Naikas can be seen. This is true. In the painting of Naika Bhed, the painters of Kangra have presented a living tableau of Amorous in different conditions. This is also true. So option B is the correct answer here. Question 29. Ustad Mansoor was a famous bird painter of Mughal school. Correct. Mansoor was the best court painter of Sansar Chand of Kangra. This is wrong. He was not from Sansar Chand. Mansoor was the court painter during the Mughal period. So option C is the correct answer. Question 30. Match the column A with column 2. Akbar, he is related to Mughal school. So 1 option D. Question 2 here, Sansar Chand. Sansar Chand is related to Nihal Chand is related to Kishangarh, and Sahibdeen is related to Mewar. So Sansar Chand is related to Kangra school. So correct answer is option A. So thank you all for watching. If there is some correction in the answer key, it will be notified in the description.